Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Kandy, Sri Lanka, a true cultural treasure. It's a city rich in history and natural beauty, from ancient temples to breathtaking mountains, lush tea estates, and stunning waterfalls. Get ready for an unforgettable journey as we explore its vibrant traditions, serene landscapes, and warm hospitality in the heart of Sri Lanka's hill country. Kandy, the cultural capital of Sri Lanka, is a mesmerizing city nestled in the central highlands of the island. Surrounded by lush green hills and centered around the scenic Kandy Lake, the city is renowned for its rich history, colonial charm, and spiritual significance. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Kandy is one of the most visited destinations in Sri Lanka, offering travelers a blend of historical sites, natural beauty, and cultural experiences. Kandy is home to the revered Temple of the Sacred Tooth Relic, which houses a sacred tooth of Lord Buddha. This temple is a significant pilgrimage site for Buddhists and a must-visit attraction for travelers. Every year, the grand Sri Lanka Festival takes place, featuring a stunning procession of elephants, dancers, drummers, and traditional performances, making it an unforgettable experience. The Royal Palace of Kandy, located near the Temple of the Tooth, provides insights into the city's regal past. The National Museum of Kandy showcases artifacts from the Kandyan Kingdom, while the Bahirawakanda Buddha statue, standing atop a hill, offers panoramic views of the city. Kandy offers a comfortable and enjoyable environment for travelers. The city has a variety of accommodation options, from budget-friendly hostels to luxury hotels with stunning views. Queen's Hotel and Earl's Regency are two well-known upscale hotels offering world-class hospitality. Food lovers will enjoy Kandy's culinary delights, including traditional Sri Lankan rice and curry, kotu roti, and sweet treats like kavu and cookies. Restaurants such as Balaji Dosai, the Empire Cafe, and Helga's Folly provide diverse dining experiences. Kandy is well connected by road and rail. The scenic train ride from Colombo to Kandy is a must for visitors, offering breathtaking views of tea plantations and misty. Kandy is well connected by road and rail. The scenic train ride from Colombo to Kandy is a must for visitors, offering breathtaking views of tea plantations and misty mountains. Public buses, tuk-tuks, and ride-hailing services make getting around the city convenient. The Temple of the Sacred Tooth Relic is one of the most revered Buddhist temples in Sri Lanka, located in the heart of Kandy. It houses a sacred tooth relic of Lord Buddha, making it a significant pilgrimage site for Buddhists worldwide. Situated within the royal palace complex of the former Kandyan Kingdom, the temple is an architectural masterpiece adorned with intricate carvings, golden roofs, and stunning murals. The Sri Lanka, a grand annual festival, features a colorful procession with decorated elephants, traditional dancers, and drummers. Inside, visitors can explore the main shrine hall, the museum, and the upper chamber, where the relic is kept in a golden casket. The temple's serene atmosphere, historical significance, and spiritual energy make it a must-visit attraction for travelers seeking cultural and religious insights in Kandy. The Bahirawakanda Vihara is a striking Buddhist temple in Kandy, famous for its giant white Buddha statue, which stands 88 feet tall atop Bahirawakanda Hill. This serene landmark offers panoramic views of Kandy, including the Temple of the Sacred Tooth Relic and Kandy Lake. Visitors can climb to the statue's base for a closer look and enjoy the peaceful ambience. The temple, especially stunning at night, is a must-visit spiritual and scenic attraction in Kandy. The Ambuluwawa Tower, located in Gampola, Sri Lanka, is a stunning multi-religious tower perched atop Ambuluwawa Mountain at an elevation of 1,100 meters above sea level. This unique structure is part of the Ambuluwawa Biodiversity Complex, surrounded by lush forests, tea plantations, and misty hills. The spiral-shaped tower, resembling a fairy tale castle, stands at 48 meters and offers 360-degree panoramic views of the central highlands, including Adams Peak, Knuckles Mountain Range, and the Mahaweli River. Adventurous visitors can climb the narrow staircase to the top for a breathtaking experience. Ambuluwawa is also a symbol of religious harmony, featuring Buddhist, Hindu, Muslim, and Christian shrines. The cool climate, scenic beauty, and thrilling climb make it a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers exploring Sri Lanka's hill country. Kandy, nestled in Sri Lanka's central highlands, is surrounded by lush tea estates, cascading waterfalls, and misty mountains, creating a breathtaking natural paradise. The region is famous for its verdant tea plantations, where visitors can explore historic tea factories, learn about tea production, and enjoy freshly brewed Ceylon tea. Popular estates like Hanthana and Lulakandera offer scenic walks through rolling green hills. Kandy is also home to picturesque waterfalls, including Huluganga Falls, Rambota Falls, and Dunhinda Falls, where visitors can witness nature's beauty and enjoy refreshing surroundings. The Knuckles Mountain Range, a UNESCO-listed biodiversity hotspot, provides adventurous hiking trails, diverse wildlife, and panoramic viewpoints. With its cool climate, mist-covered peaks, and serene landscapes, Kandy offers a perfect retreat for nature lovers, photographers, and travelers seeking a peaceful escape into Sri Lanka's enchanting hill country. The Kandy Asala Perahera is Sri Lanka's most spectacular religious and cultural festival, held annually in July or August in honor of the Sacred Tooth Relic of Lord Buddha. This centuries-old procession takes place in Kandy, centered around the Temple of the Sacred Tooth Relic. The festival features a grand parade of elaborately decorated elephants, traditional dancers, drummers, fire performers, and whipcrackers, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The highlight of the Perahera is the Maligawa tusker, an elegantly adorned elephant that carries the sacred golden casket containing the tooth relic. The festival lasts for 10 days, culminating in the Randoli Perahera, the most majestic and colorful procession. It is both a religious ceremony and a cultural extravaganza, attracting thousands of local and international visitors. The Asala Perahera is a must-see event that showcases Sri Lanka's deep-rooted Buddhist traditions and artistic heritage. Kandy is a city that beautifully blends history, culture, and nature. Whether exploring ancient temples, enjoying the cool mountain breeze, or indulging in delicious Sri Lankan cuisine, travelers will find Kandy to be an enchanting destination filled with unforgettable experiences. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more travel and adventure content from Sri Lanka.